That's great. There. All right. Greetings from Southern Yankee Homestead. This is your first time? Welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Well, working on the trailer hitch today. I have a problem with it. If you see here, when I put this bracket on for the bagger, it basically flops around too much. So the bagger's sitting way too low once it's up here, and it's causing the tube to come out. So what I need to do is fix it so it sits more in a vertical position than the relaxed position it's in. The way we're going to do that, I got 2 washers that are the same size as the pin that's in the bottom of this. What I got to do, there's a little lip under here I need to grind off, and then what I'll do is I'll put this on here, crank this bolt down once I know it's in the right position, and then we're going to tack weld the washers to this. What that'll do is give us a little bit more metal, sandwich everything, and hopefully make this work a little bit better. So I guess I need to start with taking that little lip off the edge there, which that could be interesting by itself. Alright, so all we're going to do is we're going to tack that washer on really good. What we're going to do before that, we're going to tack some gloves on really good. Alright, we're going to let that cool a minute, and then we're going to tack. Well, I guess we're doing a little more than tacking, aren't we? The reason we're letting it cool, that's where I'm welding. That's a gas tank. And yes, there's gas in it. Alright, give it 5 minutes now for the hard part. You gotta run a drill bit down through there. No biggie. Okay. But I was checking there. This is held down with a cotter key. I wanted to make sure by putting those 2 washers on there, I still had enough space to get the cotter key in. Alright, the underside's definitely gorilla weld. There, we should be ready to do some more mowing and bagging. This should help keep it up a little bit higher versus the way it was. So if this doesn't work, then I'll have to come up with a different method, but I'm pretty sure this is going to work. This should give us 6 more months on the mower before I have to do much to it. I know I'm going to need another blade replacement, but that video will be coming whenever I get done with the last set of blades. So for now, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.